joto. Yeah, mvua itanyesha jioni. Hi guys, what's up? How you doing? And welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Ruth Shari and welcome to today's video. So I woke up today thinking it was a Thursday, but today is Friday. Friday means I'm supposed to post new content, but I don't have any content to post. Yeah, so I'm shooting this video today, edit today, and upload it today. Okay. Yeah, so currently I'm in Westlands running a few errands for work, and then later on I'll go to town, you know, to get everything ready for tomorrow for Slick and Shine, because weekdays are our busy days. So many people come to town on the weekdays, you know, and some people prefer, you know, some people prefer to, you know, pick the items on their own. They don't prefer deliveries. Yeah, so I'll catch you guys later. Alright, so I'm at the shop and those people are asking for directions. The shop is located at Imenti House next to Azuri restaurant, shop number A6. Yeah, so next thing that I want to do, because I'm in town, I need to go get my nails done. This time around I'll be trying overlays, because I've tried acrylics didn't work for me. And then I've also tried gel polish doesn't last on my nails. Yeah, so let's go get my nails done and then I'll see what I'll do next. Alright guys, so I just got home and I won't be able to upload this video today because when I went to town I got so busy sorting the packages. I also went and got my nails done, so this is the color that I went for. Absolutely love it. I think it's close to baby pink. Yeah, so right now I am extremely exhausted. I need to edit some part of this vlog. Also, I'm waiting for a rider to come because I have a package that I need to send. Yeah, so this client bought the hair growth oil and the hair growth mist. So if you want to try any of our products, please make sure you check us out on Instagram. It's slick_shine, or call us on the number that I leave in the description box. Yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow.
The next day.
I already sprinkled some mixed herbs. So the first thing that I want to add to spice it up, I'm going to add garlic powder. Then the next thing that I'll add is Spanish paprika. Now I've run out of this, in paprika and garlic powder are one of my favorite spices. Next I'll add the mixed herbs, and then I want to go with ginger. So I'll add my ginger. So the next thing that I want to add is salt, and then I'll mix this all together. So I really don't measure the spices, I just eyeball them. But I wish I had more paprika though, because paprika gives chicken some color, which I really love. So I will add chili flakes, and one has to be very careful with this because it can be hot. If you overdo it, it's gonna be very hot. Yeah. Want to mix that very well to make sure that all parts of the chicken are coated with the spices. What else have I not added? And then one last thing, I'll add mixed spices. And mix that evenly to make sure that all the parts of the chicken are coated with the spices. It's already smelling so good. So I'm gonna cover this up and then I put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. So the chicken is now ready to go in the oven. The oven has been preheating for about 15 minutes now. Alright guys, so my food is ready. And I went and bought fries because no one got time to make fries, okay? So I'm having fries and chicken. Yeah, so this is my dinner, so I'll catch you guys tomorrow.